don't know, it's a girl, Melica Skylife in the building. Yo! How are them? Now guys, this morning, welcome to the Ask Melica show. And on this show, you ask me a question and I answer every single day. So today's question is, Melica, since you've lost so much weight, do you have stretch marks and do you feel insecure about them? Well, to tell you the truth, I did have stretch marks before I lost weight. And it was something that I was very insecure about. You never catch me a beach in a two-piece. I always cover up. Although, I'm a girl who believe in a cover up still. I don't believe in showing off everything to the world. Like, I believe in reserving certain things for your partner. So you never go see me in a body rider shots on the road and brazier and something up on the road. Like, me no rolls up. No matter what, I just don't roll up. But I used to be very insecure about my stretch marks because I had them on my sides and I had them on my breasts. The ones on my breasts, them not so protruding. They used to be very bright. I still do have them now. They used to be very bright, but since I've lost a lot of weight on my breasts, them kind of come down away. I don't feel insecure about them anymore because guess what? If you can't accept yourself like how you stay, nobody's perfect, and these are some of the things that comes with life. So if you can't accept yourself and love yourself how you are, how you gonna expect somebody else to love you and accept you? You understand? How you gonna set the standard for somebody else love and accept you? Are you gonna have someone judge you based off your stretch marks? Not in this book. Another thing, I had them on my sides, and I had them on my sides, and the ones on my sides, they normally hurt. Sometimes they like stand up like so, like some strong vein, and kind of did like purplish, and they usually hurt. You would never catch me I show them the none time. Like, I'm telling you, it used to be like one of my biggest insecurities. I still do have them on my sides, but you just see the mark. You don't see the actual stretch mark. But girl and guys, I'm wearing my stretch marks and I'm wearing them proud because I've learned to understand that those stuff are little stuff that don't define you as a person. And when you're able to live above those stuff, you live a better life. So as it relates to my stretch marks now, no, I'm not insecure about them. I used to be because I never think about life where I think about life. No. I used to be, but no, I'm not, and I know I am not. So that's how I answer my questions. Still have stretch marks, but I'm not insecure about them anymore.